Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a decorative Chanel wine bottle. And the items that are needed for this are a Chanel logo, which I printed offline. And I'm going to be using the Chanel letters at the bottom of this picture that I got from a magazine. And I'm going to be using this soy sauce bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree. This brush from the Dollar Tree and Mod Podge from the Dollar Tree. Glitters from the Dollar Tree. I'm using red and silver. The E6000 from Walmart. Scissors and diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree. And these gemstones that I got from Walmart. And this right here I got from Joann's. These are the items that I'm going to use for this project. But the first thing that I'm going to do is take the label off of the soy sauce bottle. After removing the label from the bottle, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brush, and I'm going to be brushing the bottle with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to be sprinkling the glitter over it. But I'm only going to do just this part of the bottle. This gold part up here, I'm not going to put any on that. So all the rest of it, I'm going to put red glitter on it. I'm going to continue this all over the bottle. To adding the glitter to it, I'm going to brush Mod Podge over it again. This is to seal the glitter in, so the glitter won't be falling everywhere. And just go all over with the Mod Podge. So while the Mod Podge is still wet, I want to take my put my logo on. And instead of cutting it out, I just cut a circle around it instead. And I'm going to figure out where I'm going to place it. And then just lay it on the Mod Podge. And then let it dry. Now I'm going to brush the top part of the bottle with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to sprinkle it with this silver glitter. I'm going to brush the Mod Podge over the glitter to seal it in. And while the Mod Podge is still wet, I'm going to add my other label to the top. And then after I figure out where I want it at, then I'm just going to let it dry. The bottle has dried overnight, and this is what it looks like. I love it. Now the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I already cut out a thin strip of this rhinestone sheet that I purchased from Joann's. And I'm going to be using the E6000. And then I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to hold it in place. Now I'm going to move on to the next part, and I'm going to be gluing these gemstones from Walmart. I'm going to be gluing those around the circle. And I'm also going to be using the E6000, and then I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to hold it in place until it dries. I'm going to apply a single roll of diamond wrap to the top and bottom of this label at the top. I found a bow that I wanted to use. So what I'm going to do is just glue this bow in the center. And then I'm going to also add a rhinestone to the center of the bow. Now the only thing I have to do is just let it dry completely and get it cleaned up. Here is the finished bottle, and I love the way it turned out. I had to make a couple of changes to it. Like for instance, at the top I was doing the silver diamond wrap, but I decided to use the red on the top instead. And I also went back in and put glitter inside the circle right here. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also leave a comment in the comment section. And if you like the ice bucket, I will have the video for that coming soon. So go to my channel and look for that. And thanks for watching.